What is deontology? Deontology is an ethical theory focused on duties and roles rather than consequences. Notable proponents include Immanuel Kant, who emphasized the importance of rationality in determining morality. In summary, deontology emphasizes the moral duty to adhere to ethical principles, regardless of the consequences. Individuals must follow moral rules or duties, which are absolute and not subject to negotiation. It asserts that certain actions are inherently right or wrong regardless of their outcome. Deontologists prioritize the intentions behind action, believing that good intentions can justify action even if it leads to negative consequences.
Hi, my name is Christian Lara. I'm a personal license broker.
Hi, my name is Richmond B. Bay. We handle export and import documents professionally.
Today, we will show you how to handle a person while staying ethical and lawful.
Sir, some of the required documents are missing.
Problem is now not identified a problem document.
Please approve this now. We need to meet the deadline.
Hello, sir. I understand the deadline, but the document is incomplete. Approving false or incomplete document are illegal.
It contains penalties or suspension or lost license. Deontology teaches us how to follow our duty.
My duty is to follow the rules even under pressure.
Doing the right thing does not depend on the people. The documents are complete properly.
They are now approved legally and ethically. Being a custom broker, standing by a law.
Even under pressure, ethics must come first.
Thank you for watching.